How to add a tracking effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where your clip is located. Select the clip you want to add a tracking effect to, then switch to the color page at the bottom. Next, find the window panel on the middle and choose a shape like a circle or a square to define the area you want to track. Adjust the window size and position it over the object or area you want to follow in your video. After setting your window, go to the tracker panel right next to the window panel. Here you will see the tracking controls. Click the forward play button to start tracking the movement of your selected area frame by frame. DaVinci Resolve will analyze the motion and automatically follow the object. If needed, you can fine-tune the track by manually adjusting keyframes or retracking parts where the automatic tracking might have slipped. Finally, review your clip to make sure the tracking effect stays accurate throughout. Then render your video to save the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to add a tracking effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.